the property of the week.
So Edwin, this is one of the projects coming up in Business Bay. It's a 102-story tower, and this is how the entire project is going to look like. These are the features and the aesthetics from the outside, but I think we should see the inside. There's a show apartment, so you know what a actual unit looks like.
So Bay 102, is that the number of floors?
102 stories, yeah. 102 stories. And it's actually taller because there are a lot of floors which go on the parking. So realistically, it's more than 102.
Oh, incredible.
So if you're on 101, you're actually on 106 or 7.
And with my height phobia, I don't know how I exceed this or some. Yeah.
We'll find you a apartment down. Please.
Wow.
So this is one of the show apartments for the 102-story base. And this is what it looks like.
Wow.
So this is Sanket, one of our property.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Edwin. Good to meet you. Hopefully you had a pleasant trip.
Yeah, it was a short, lovely one.
I know. Today I'm going to show you one of the premium apartments in Dubai. And we're going to start with the first bedrooms.
Sure.
So before I go to bedroom, this is the study room. It's a very generous study room. Yeah. After COVID, especially everybody wants a study room, and Dubai is transiting into work from home culture as well. So a lot of people want this. So it's
incredible.
Yeah.
I love the space usage.
Yeah, it's very generous. Normally some study rooms are a bit compact, but this one is very generous. And so this is the first bedroom.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow.
And remember, Edwin, so whatever you're seeing, you are getting exactly the same thing, including the curtains and whatever you're saying.
Wow.
Yeah, all fully furnished except this TV. No electronic appliances. That's it. So whatever you're seeing here, exactly, including the tiles and everything.
I love the finishes of the...
Yes, it's very trendy, very modern. So it will be exactly like
this. Is incredible.
Yes. Let's walk to the... So this is the common bathroom and toilet. Look at the finish. The same style of mirror.
Casa Milano, very phenomenal brand.
Yes.
Wow.
Floor to ceiling, all the tiles. Yes. So this is the master bedroom.
But I love the quality of the finishes.
Yes.
When you look at the feature on this particular wall,
Yes.
it's simply amazing.
The furnish will be exactly like this.
Tell me, if I've wanted to invest in this particular property, do I have to pay a full amount?
No. So that's the beauty of Dubai. Most of the developers give you very generous payment plan. So if I talk about this developer, so this developer gives you 1% payment plan, which means that you get time up to 9 years to pay for the unit. And the unit will be ready in just 4 to 5 years. And I think in 2029, if I'm not wrong.
Wow.
So even once you take the handover, once you start living, you still have time for another 5 years to pay rest of the amount. So you don't have to pay the full amount when you're moving in.
Wow.
You still have 5 years. Yeah, it's a very generous payment plan. Everyone can afford. So I'll just show you the ensuite as well.
Oh, I love the gold.
Walk-in robe.
I see it.
That's a walk-in robe.
Oh,
Amazing space. Your wife won't complain. So this is the beautiful kitchen. Look at this. So elegant. You don't even know, right?
yeah.
It's a fridge. So minimalistic they've kept.
On this particular project, is every unit gonna look like this?
Yes. Whatever you see, except the crockery part, you're getting everything, including all the appliances that you're saying, including the fridge. Fridge is also included.
I
So
love
this
it.
is
Wow.
for if your wife is cooking or your partner is cooking and you want to have some drinks or something. Yes, she gets her privacy.
Wow.
Look at yours, and she can still keep an eye on you.
It's all the way.
It shuts all the way.
Please go on and shut me in. Wow.
That's it.
Wow.
She gets her privacy, you get yours.
And then this leads us to somewhere else.
Yes. And
Ooh.
the part that I was talking to you about, the
Ooh.
most important. So this is the private pool that you get in the apartment. You don't have to go down. You don't have to go to the common area.
Wow.
That's it. So that you
Wow.
get in your apartment, in your balcony.
Wow.
Amazing.
Wow.
With this view.
This is-
Imagine having a drink with this view.
and you've got the Burj Khalifa.
Khalifa. That's the tallest building, right?
Yeah. Wow. So that's the view that you
That's the view.
If I'm watching this right now, I'm sure betting I need to get myself one of these particular properties. This is just
You,
simply
you've got to hurry up, man. Lot of
Oh, this is incredibly amazing. This, and then what does this view give us now?
So that's a normal balcony, and this one is with the pool.
Okay.
So some apartments are different layouts. So this is one of the balconies. So this one does not have pool.
Wow. So the pool is on one end
Yes.
for each apartment.
Yeah. So different layouts. So they can't make all the show apartments.
Did I get this
different
right?
layouts.
Each apartment
Gets a private pool.
has a private pool.
Yes.
Now that's pure,
Yes.
ultra, super luxury.
And remember, 9 years payment plan. You're not paying everything up front. You have ample amount of time to pay for the price.
I tell you what, I can't wait to get my own units on this particular project. I don't know about you. Incredible. This is simply phenomenal. I just love, you said apart from the electronic, which would be the screen.
Yes.
All the other features,
All the other things.
aesthetically, all are part of the unit.
Including
That's
the
what the setup would look like.
Including the rug.
Wow. This is incredible.